Yeah.
Okay. Transferring it. Make sure you're on there. Okay. It went down my throat. It's stuck in my throat.
Well, drink.
What happened?
That cinnamon tastes disgusting. I don't want it on my bacon anymore.
What did you think it was gonna? Ew! What did you think it was gonna taste like?
Oh, my side. Okay, you can stop it now.
Okay.